Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Renee and today we're doing an unboxing video again. This time the adult Emerald Dragon, the second of my adult Gem Dragons. So let's start, shall we? So the box is gonna be opened at the top. And then that's getting out of here. Whoa, that's a very vibrant color. So, oh yeah, that's very vibrant. And it's as easy as every dragon getting it out of the box. Oh, it says protectors here on the wings. But those are very, very protective. I shortly will get that off, those protectors, so I can turn the miniature better. And then we are back. Whoop. So I put all of them off and got the problem that one of them was very hard on of those protectors, so it's protected. Nothing, and I got a claw of the wing here. That was a bit too hard, so it's protected, not that good. But all in all, very nice miniature. This claw of the wing stands on the bottom, so the creature can't get on the floor completely with the base. That's not so cool, I think. It's very hard plastic here in the wings, so you should be cautious with the miniature. The tail is flexible as always. Yeah, the coloring scheme is great, but I do not like that with the wing here sitting on the floor. It's not that good. So let's have a size difference with the adult Sapphire Dragon. And here you can easily see the body is much smaller and the wings are around about the same size. But the body, the head, everything, Sapphire Dragon is much more muscular and much more massive. The Emerald Dragon is more of, I would say, like a dexterity fixed dragon. Yeah. I want to hear, what do you think about this Emerald Dragon? What do you think about that this wing is sitting on the floor? I don't think that's planned. I think that should be a bit more in the air. And I have to fix that. So the protectors here weren't that protective. So tell me in the comments, what do you think about the Emerald Dragon? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. I would appreciate your support and see you the next time. Bye.